Alhamdulillah. Thank you guys for gardening with me.
It's a summer club at Worcester, and here are all the activities that we did.
Massaging the roots, right? Good job, sweetie. All right, put it on the edge.
But that's my shovel I use for digging.
No, it's okay. We're all gonna share, okay?
We're just sharing today.
Can I do it next?
We're taking turns.
Yep. Are you even in?
Is that
Good
enough?
job. Yes, good. All right, you guys are ahead of it. I'm proud of you guys. Make sure we're not covering the seeds. Make sure the seeds are only on top, okay? Do not cover the seeds. If you already cover them, it's okay. But for microgreens, you do not cover the seeds. Good job. With the sprouts?
We put water into it, and then you drain it one time a day.
Alhamdulillah, good. Everybody heard it?
Yeah. I'm after I put water in it and I drained it like that.
Good job. Every day, okay?
And those are
I
your
drained it
sprouts.
one time.
And you're going to do it for 5 days. After the 5 days, inshallah, you're going to see some sprouts. And then you're going to eat them, okay?
And with this one with this one we put the dirt and then we put the peas and then we put water, then we put holes out in the cap.
That's good.
And then we drain it out.
Yes. So it's going to drain out on its own when you water it every day, okay? That's it. So you guys know what to do. You guys are gardeners. MashaAllah. I have 8 gardeners. Wow. You guys know what to do. Okay.
You're going to teach your parents.
One pink.
So, Sarah,
Okay.
me, Senna, and then Heather.
Okay, so then half of you guys, what color did you want?
Green.
Yusuf, did you want green?
Green and blue.
Okay, green. What about Adia? What do you want?
Pink.
Okay.
He's taking them out.
What's her name?
I thought those were mine.
All right, now you.
Put them up.
Let's see,
Can
we
you
need
just
to-
pour it?
we have to clean it up. Yes, you just need a few leaves.
Smells like lemon balm.
Next, I want to hear everybody's favorite color, okay?
Yeah, it is lemon balm.
Pink. All right.
The week of gardening with these kids was so much fun as we made popsicles. We learned about compost. They planted their own container garden and compost in that garden. They harvest a lot of flowers, and this is one that she gave me. And they enjoy all the plants that they grew. We did multiple different activities such as a popsicle. We did lollipops. They enjoyed the popsicle. And they also went home and did it at home, as they were telling me the next day. And they also learned how to save seeds, made their own little seed envelopes. And they were so happy to have their candy the next day and also go into their garden and practice their composting. It was so much fun to work with this bunch as they harvest and enjoy every moment of it. And also we made some art. We made some bracelets and chains.